cut. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Make sure you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Support your girl. In this video, I'm just sampling the Fenty Pro Filter concealers. I received 2 samples today from Sephora. I just want to get 2 samples that I know it'll be closer to like my highlight shade that I would like before I purchase, because I didn't want to purchase one then I didn't like it. So I just wanted to get the samples, and of course, you know, I sampled on each side. So, and also I'm trying Sephora's their baked powder. Enjoy the video, guys. Okay, y'all, I already have on my foundation. I used the Too Faced Born This Way and Butter Pecan, and I already filled in my brows. So I'm going to be trying these concealers. I went to Sephora today just to get 2 samples of the Fenty Beauty concealer. They're a new concealer that they came out with. I know I'm late on it, but I just want to try out a couple of them that'll be my highlight shade before I purchase. So I went in today and to get 370 and 360. So I'm going to try one on one eye and the other on the other eye just to see which highlight shade works best for me. And you guys can let me know also in the comments below, you know, to just let me know before I purchase, because you know sometimes it show better on camera than in person. So let me know. Okay, since I already have everything else done, I'm finna get off into the concealer. So first I'm gonna try the Fenty concealer in 370, and it came in the little sample thing. There's a little stingy on the sample, but we're gonna work with it. I'm gonna apply it with my little unicorn brush I got from Hobby Lobby. So cute. Glides on smooth, and I'm gonna see how it blends out and how it dries down and all that good stuff. So far I'm liking this color, but I don't know if it oxidizes or anything, so let's see. This side. It's weird doing one side one color. And out with a damn beauty blender. Oh, it blends out really good. And I like the color. This is a pretty highlight color. I like it. It's very blendable. As you can see, it just blends, melts on in the skin. I love it. This kind of put me in the mind of my my NARS Radiant Creamy. Okay, and I'm gonna do the other side. So I'm most definitely, just by trying this one side, I'm most definitely gonna have to purchase. Now the other eye. On the other eye, I'm going to use 360, my little sample bag. So this side is the color 370, remember that, and this is going to be 360. I'm going to use a separate brush. I may like both of them. Probably gonna like both colors. It's very creamy, and it says it's long lasting and crease proof. So this eye right here, I haven't set it with the powder yet, but usually under my eye kind of crease, so I'm most definitely gonna have to set my concealer. This side I'm gonna blend it out with a blending brush just to see the difference, how it blends out with a blending brush, as you know, as in a beauty blender. So It blends out really good with a blending brush as well. So I most definitely got to get this concealer. I love it. You can wear it on its own as well. Like if you rushing, you don't have time for foundation, you can just pop this concealer on. Well, I'm gonna have to set mine, but pop it on, set it real quick, and be gone, because it is so pretty. So pretty.
Yeah. Tell me something that you know.
It even blends like my Radiant Creamy Concealer. So I give it a thumbs up. I got to purchase this Fenty. Rihanna did her thing on this. Okay, Riri. I can see creasing. So just that part right there, but that's normal for my under eye, so I'm gonna have to set it with a powder. I have to have this concealer, like I love it. I just had to try it first. So now I have to figure out which colors. So which one, y'all? Let me know which side, because I don't know. I like both. This is more highlighted and this is more subtle, so maybe I need both. I'm gonna set it with a no color translucent powder. So I'm gonna use my RCMA No Color powder.
Yeah. Tell me something that you know. I throw the ones all.
Okay, y'all, look at that. Now it's all set. I don't know which one. I still don't know which side. Gosh, help me, y'all. 370 or 360? Which one? Let me know in the comments below. So another thing I picked up at Sephora that I wanted to try, Sephora Micro Smooth powder. So I guess it's like a finishing powder. It's a baked finishing powder, I guess. And I got it in matte tan. A Luxie 532, the round top blender brush. And set the rest of my face with that. Feels like my mineralized skin finish. That's what it feels like.
Yeah.
It's a pretty powder. I love the color. Let's see. It feels silky, y'all. It feels good. Feels good on the face as well. Very pretty. I think I'm gonna like the Sephora powder. This powder retail for $22 at Sephora. Pretty good price. Seems like you get a lot of product in it. The packaging is okay, but hey, it feels really silky and goes on smooth on your skin. I like the color. I like the finish. I like it. I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this. My Black Radiance powder in Ebony, just to hit those contour spots. The lips, I'm gonna do some bright and fun today. So I'm gonna use my Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick. And it's in the color Camo. And I love like purples and pinks. You know what? Since this dries down to a matte, I'm going to use this as a liquid eyeliner. I just want to try it out just to see how I do. I'm going to use this is a striper brush. This is the mermaid one I got from Hobby Lobby. It is so pretty.
She took 2 sticks and now she all over the floor. She moved that lane like a professional. And she don't need no man, she just need a plan. Wanna take 2 sticks and ride, wanna go with the man. They moving like professionals.
That's the idea, ladies. Whatever liquid lipstick you use, if it dries down matte and you want your liner to match, just get your little handy dandy striper brush. I'm not gonna put on strip lashes. The mascara I'm gonna use, y'all, I've been holding out on this mascara. This mascara is the bomb. The Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I received this in my BoxyCharm this month, the month of February. This is the bomb. Now I see why people love this mascara.
She tell me something that you know. I throw the ones all
Art Geller Fake Blush in Tropic Hughes. Okay, y'all, this is the completed look. So overall, I really love that concealer. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to go get that concealer, y'all. This concealer is the bomb. Smooth finish look. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Very blendable. It's really creamy, and like I said, it puts me in the mind of my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. It really does. I love it. And I mean, it's so easy to blend out. It doesn't dry down quick, so you have time to kind of work with it. So it's really good. But I don't know about the long wearing part because I'm not going to test it out. I have another look I have to do right after this. But like, I could just tell it's an awesome concealer. I had to set it with the setting powder. I usually have to with creamy concealers. But overall, I love it. Riri doing her thing. Okay, Fenty. I love it. I love it. I love it. And the powder that I tried out from Sephora, I love that powder. I love the finish. It feels really silky, and it kind of puts me in the mind of my MAC Mineral Line Skin Finish. I mean, I like the color and everything. It's awesome. And for the price, it's a really good price. Just to recap, the Fenty concealers that I tried, this side was the $370 and this side was the $360. So please don't forget to let me know which side you think works best. I like both, but I don't know which one to choose, you know. That's why I tried them, so you know I can go to the store and purchase it. But I just don't know which one because I like both of them. The Fenty concealer, it retails for $26. And a pretty nice size for $26. So, and I love it. Like, it's a great product. Just by me sampling it today, I love it. So I will be purchasing. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And stay tuned to the next video. Be blessed. Bye.